Hey my youth, you know where you watch?
Where's Sam Tim? Tell the man again, man. What I'm saying, man, brother? Where's Sam Tim, man? Where's Sam now, though?
The man now be a dance taking injection, brother. And the man stinks like a dead dog, man. The man 40, man. The man can't clean I told so, man.
Man.
People are taking clothes for making water. Sometimes we look at me say, half naked to block half the rest of the man. And the man don't have no clothes. Brother, you can do better than that, man. You think, man.
Nah, beard.
Nah, beard, man. You look like go for jail, go be a business, you know, and what. I find out right here.
So yeah, him now power again if him now beard.
I mean, I don't know if I rang here in the police there.
So you know him not beard and him now power again.
He did one time up there and that he no want go up.
Well,
And him a get food and tea and everything.
Don't power with him then, man.
Okay, man. We left you to police till the blood clot, man.
Is a madman that. I tell another madman say him stink. You must know say it really bad for him tell him that, you see it? Now viewers and subscribers, you remember one time we talk about mad people on the street, you see me? We talk about it about one thing where they happen with one man who mentally ill, end up hurting his mother and one other person, you know, which is a child, you see me? And one time I talk about it and say, yo, too much mad people they out there in Jamaica on the streets just a walk up and down. So me I say, and them need to find a way to get these people in. You see me? Just like how you have all a police officer out there where police are go around and arrest the bad people and so forth. You need to have some set of police type people where can seek out these insane people and take them off of the street. You see me? Because right now, two madman that we see right there, you know, two mad, insane smaddy. You see me? But the really and truly thing still is that this video kind of funny because the fact that a madman look on a madman and tell him saying stink, you must know say gone bad. And you can't even see the difference between the two of them clothes. One person clothes directly look like him a work on the truck like, you know, like mechanic overall. And so film clothes look pure grease they in that. You see me I say, and the other one, he might be insane but you can see say him try to keep up a little bit, you see it? Yeah, but you know, it depends on the illness of the mind where them have. You see me I say? Yeah. That's just how you go, see it? So, really and truly, these are the things still, you see me? Jamaica need to find a way to take these mad people in. You see me I say? That are the things I really and truly want to tell you. So I want to please be careful when you walk past some of these mentally ill persons because they can be very dangerous. So I say, not because it's what they hear a laugh and take it for a joke, they can be very dangerous. Remember that, alright? Anyways, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Skilla and this is Dancehall Skilla ENT. On the big up on yourself. You see it?